In this video, I'll guide you through how to upload to Google Cloud. Whether you're managing projects or simply backing up data, knowing how to efficiently upload files to Google Cloud can be a valuable tool in your digital toolkit. So let's dive right in and make this process as straightforward as possible. First, you'll want to begin by opening the Google Cloud console. This is your main hub for accessing all the services that Google Cloud offers. If you haven't logged into your Google account yet, make sure you're signed in to access the console. Once you're in, you'll see a dashboard with various options and features. Don't worry if it looks a bit overwhelming at first. We're going to focus on just what you need for this task. Next, you're going to navigate to cloud storage. You can find this easily by looking at the menu on the left-hand side of the console. Click on cloud storage and you'll see an option labeled buckets. Buckets are essentially containers within Google Cloud where your files and data will be stored. Think of them as folders on your computer but stored in the cloud. Once you're in the buckets section, you'll need to select a bucket where you'd like to upload your files. If you haven't created a bucket yet, you'll need to do that first. Creating a bucket is simple. Just click on Create Bucket and follow the prompts. You'll need to give your bucket a unique name and select a region for storing your data. This is important because it affects your data's availability and redundancy. But for now, let's assume you already have a bucket ready to go. After you've selected your bucket, you'll see an option to upload files. Click on this button to start the upload process. A window will pop up allowing you to browse through your computer's files. Here's where you'll choose the file you want to upload to Google Cloud. Whether it's a document, an image, or any other type of file, make sure it's something you need to store or share via the cloud. Once you've chosen your file, click Open, and the upload process will begin. You'll see a progress bar showing the status of your upload. Depending on the size of your file and your internet connection speed, this might take a few seconds to a few minutes. Be patient and let the process complete without interruption. And there you have it. You've successfully uploaded a file to Google Cloud. It's now stored safely in the cloud and can be accessed from anywhere at any time as long as you have internet access. This makes Google Cloud a powerful tool for both personal and professional use, enabling you to manage and share your data effortlessly. Remember, if you need to upload multiple files, you can repeat the process as many times as necessary. And if you're working with large data sets or need more control over file management, consider exploring Google Cloud's additional features like setting permissions or automating uploads with scripts. I hope this guide has made the process clear and easy to understand. With these steps, you should be able to upload files to Google Cloud with confidence. Thanks for watching and happy uploading.